Hi guys, this is Alex at BlackboxMyCar. As we start in the year in 2018, there are a few dashcam systems that we suggest comparing to others as they have proved to be reliable and include some great features. We have a list of 3 amazing choices for buyers in any budget. These are suitable for those who want the latest and greatest features like ADAS and Wi-Fi and offer great recording quality paired with reliability. Thinkware F800 Pro. Thinkware has always been an astonishing brand, and with the introduction to the F800 Pro, it really solidifies the company in their place as a top quality dashcam provider in the market. The F800 Pro comes with a few new offerings compared to the F770 that we loved from last year. Looking at the base specs, there isn't a big difference between the two, but it's the finer details where you will see the changes. Starting with the chipset inside the unit, an Ambarella 812 processor in the F800 Pro allows the camera to perform smoothly even with video processing. Incorporating the Sony Starvis sensors on the front and rear make it better at low light and optimized for the clearest video recordings. Super Night Vision 2.0 is beneficial for enhanced low-light recording. Even in dimly lit areas, it's able to view the details. Thinkware is one of the few brands that notifies you if an incident had occurred while parked, giving you the peace of mind during your time away. Speaking of time away, the F800 Pro is the only dashcam with 3 dedicated parking modes to suit the needs of the consumer. Pre-buffered parking mode allows footage to be recorded 10 seconds before and after the incident to make sure everything is captured. For higher traffic areas, there's also a mode where the unit can use the G sensor to detect when an incident has occurred to capture it immediately. Lastly, it has a time-lapse mode to continuously capture at 2 frames per second to reduce power load and storage use. With lower power consumption, especially while paired with the Stellink Neo battery pack, it's able to record for a few days before running out of power. Even on the road, the F800 Pro continues to help with available ADAS features that notify the driver with certain triggers. First, there is lane departure warning system, which allows the unit to sense road markings and give the occupants a warning when changing lanes. It's also able to indicate if you're closing in on the vehicle in front of you with forward collision warning system. Blacksys CH-200. The CH-200 is Blacksys' flagship dashcam. It has all the features that we've come to expect from a top-of-the-line model such as Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS, parking mode, and full HD front and rear cameras. Better yet, Blacksys is able to have all the features from their competitors while undercutting them, making it one of the most affordable, full-featured dashcam on the market. Let it be known, even with the price cut, the Blacksys CH-200 does not skimp on details. Both front and rear cameras use Sony IMX322 sensors, allowing for full HD recording backed with Ambarella 812 processors to provide optimal image quality without sacrificing nighttime clarity. The overall design of the Blacksys is different than others. Instead of a cylindrical shape, it uses its narrow body to hide it away from prying eyes while mounted. Paired with Blacksys' excellent parking mode system, rest assured that your vehicle is safe while parked. Blacksys also uses a feature called memory partitioning. This indexes the memory card and allocates a selectable amount of space for different types of files, whether it's for parking or incident recordings. This allows the user to pick what type of files is more important to record and keep what's necessary. Thinkware F100. For those who are looking to spend a little less but still want to enjoy the 2-channel experience, we have just the option for you. The F100 is a simple, easy to use dashcam with full HD front recording camera. The F100 is configurable with an optional 720p rear camera, making it the best budget 2-channel system. The F100, unlike the higher end models, is stripped of some features, but it still retains the more important ones. For example, it does not have Wi-Fi feature, so when retrieving video footage, a computer would be necessary to read the micro SD card. The GPS module is an option for those who would like to see driving speed and location of the footage. When equipped with the GPS module, it's also able to notify the driver of upcoming red light cameras. Additionally, like other Thinkware devices, the F100 has a dedicated parking mode when hardwired. This allows the unit to record a buffer cliff whenever it detects motion or is triggered by a shock thanks to its built-in G-sensor. Comparing to other systems above, the F100 with its reduced cost makes it easier to obtain a quality dashcam with the ability to have 2 channels set up without spending as much. So there you have it. These are the top 3 dual-channel dashcams for 2018. Whether you're looking for a dashcam with all the available parking safety features, the best video quality, a budget dashcam with an added options to make it a dual-channel system without breaking the bank, or is simply a great dashcam that is tried, tested, and true, and in the middle of the other options, BlackboxMyCar has got you covered. Hi guys, this is Alex at BlackboxMyCar. Thank you very much for watching our videos to learn about the dashcams that we carry and how they benefit you from everyday driving. As we mentioned in the video, the Thinkware F800 Pro takes the crown as the top 2-channel dashcam of 2018. And to commemorate that, we are running a giveaway for a Thinkware F800 Pro. To enter, simply follow the contest link below, sign in with the social media account, and follow the steps for bonus entries. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, which also increases your chances of winning the prize. This is our very first giveaway and we are planning on doing a lot more. So good luck to everyone and subscribe to our channel to participate in the future giveaways.